Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money onto your Bet365 account using the computer web-based app. So if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. So let's just get into it. I'm logged into the Bet365 app and go up to the deposit section, this button right here. And then that's going to load this page. From there, there's a bunch of different options up here. If you don't want to just use a debit card, you can use PaySafe, Click to Pay, there's Google Pay as well, Apple Pay, Trustly, wire transfer, a bunch of different options anyway. So I'm going to go back to Visa Debit because I'm going to deposit onto Bet365 using my Visa Debit card. From there, scroll down to Debit Card. And this is where I'm going to select my currency. For me, I'm in the UK. And then from there, I'm going to type in my card number, the name on my card, my expiry date, my CVV, which is the 3 digits on the back of the card. And I'm going to type in £10 here because I'm going to take £10 from my account and deposit it on Bet365. So guys, I've just entered all of the information about my card here, and then I've selected £10, and now it basically gives us the option to access the open account offer, get up to £50 in bet credits. Make sure that you actually tick this box here so that you can claim your £50 in bet credits. And then from there, scroll down. If you want to set a deposit limit, you can do so here. And once you've read and acknowledged everything right here, select this tick box and then press this green button, acknowledge and deposit £10. And I'm going to do that now. Your deposit of £10 has been credited into your balance. Press OK. And it says you have one red message. I'm going to close this. And then in the top right, we can see that my balance has now updated to £10. And we can go in here and see we've got £10. There's £10 that can be withdrawn as well. And once I start betting, I will then get my £50 in bet credits because of the open account offer. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.